You guys ready for this? That's a 14-year-old right there. What's up, guys? So I just got home from work. My Turbosmart blow-off valve came in. And then you got a CD of how to install it, I'm assuming. And here is the blow-off valve. There it is. And these are the screws that come with it. We're gonna do a before and after sound. This is just startup right now. Guys, so listen to what happened here. I installed the blow-off valve and right away I went for a little bit of a test drive to listen to it and start recording for you guys. Got all the filming done, go to my computer and it said SD card corrupted. So I have to redo this. So just bear with me, I'm sorry for the long delay. Hopefully you guys can hear the blow-off valve pretty good, since I can't roll down the windows yet. It's like it's speaking to me. Oh, I love this thing. This thing sounds so freaking good. I'm just gonna blow on my gas just listening to this noise. If you guys are on a budget and have a turboed car, I definitely recommend getting one of these Turbosmart Blow valves. I bought it off of Amazon for 150 bucks, and I absolutely love the sound of this thing. Next, hopefully, will be an exhaust or a cool air intake, then I exhaust, but I gotta wait for the money to come first to do all that stuff. If you guys haven't already checked out my Instagram, I suggest you check that out because you'll be getting all the updates first on there, and down it goes on YouTube. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. Until next time, guys, I'll see you.